Like a track.
Yes, come out your office. Come out your office. Come out your office. Come out your office. I don't give a fuck if it's your store. I don't care.
Run that video like a track. Give me the pack and I might take that.
I see y'all like the Walkie Talkie prank, you feel me? We about to do part 2 right now, you feel me? So yeah, we about to go inside. Yeah, so you wanna look at both of them?
Yes.
She have her mask on like it's still COVID.
Wait, what you said, boss?
Tell her take her fucking mask off. Why does she still have a mask on like her breath stinks or something? It's not COVID anymore.
My boss saying it's not COVID.
Huh?
I said my boss saying it's not COVID, take your mask off or something.
Tell him pass my payment because
Can
I'm
you
one of the guys
forward what the I just said to her?
Hold on, boss. You wanna talk to him?
No, I don't talk to him.
Boss, she said she's not knowing to play with.
Listen, I don't give a goddamn.
That's the type of person to play with.
To play
He's
with.
playing with the wrong one.
She keeps that smart mouth on her. She's gonna get the fuck out of my damn store. Do I make my goddamn self clear?
Not for whatever I want to wear. Don't play with me. Don't do that.
She said do not play with her, boss.
That's not.
God damn it, do it look like I'm fucking playing? You know what? Get your ass out of this store, goddamn.
You said she's talking too loud?
Talking too goddamn loud. And I don't like to have to repeat my goddamn self.
So, he said I'm talking to
All
him.
that damn talking my damn.
She said so, boss.
What you gonna do?
Wait, go ahead. He can hear you.
And what are you gonna do?
I don't like to repeat myself talking loud in my goddamn store. So I'm gonna ask you to leave out of here. And
Come and get me. Come and get me.
movie fade. You can tell them get my fingertips all that looking like that.
Come and get me.
Motherfucker, don't make me come up there.
Okay. Is he
Don't
really
you make
talking to
me
me?
do it, goddammit.
Yeah,
Get
it's
out of
boss.
my store, I'm gonna call the police.
Okay, tell him to come on. I'm waiting for whatever I done violated.
All right, well, go ahead.
Bye, Crystal. I love y'all.
Baby, you look like you got your ass beat.
All right, cuz, it's all good.
I don't
Go
wanna
ahead.
hear that. Goddammit. Get your ass out of here. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
It's boss.
All right, dog, go ahead on.
All right, boss.
Tell your boss to come over here.
Tell him what, boss?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, he's recording me. There's no videotape inside the store, though.
Even fucking better. Now I should sue the. Now I'm suing your mother.
Yeah, boss is suing you. I think boss is talking to you. Boss, what you said, sir?
Tell that ball to get the fuck out of my store.
Boss, he said what happened?
Looks like the bald guy was stealing. I'm gonna have to ask you to tell him to leave the store before I come back there and deal with his funky ass.
Tell him to come see me.
Hold on, he can't hear you. Hold on, boss, he want to talk to you. He said he don't know what you're talking about, boss. He said to call the police. I think boss want to talk to y'all. Boss, they can hear you.
I told you to tell her to leave my goddamn store. She's smelling like sushi. And
I
we're
smell
not
like
having that
sushi?
shit in this
Oh, he
goddamn
can hear you.
So I'm gonna tell you one time to get her out my store, or this is gonna be on your termination.
What
Do
happened?
I make myself clear?
Who?
Yes, boss. He said I gotta get out the store.
Why?
I don't know. Boss, why they gotta get out?
Smelling like goddamn sushi.
I smell like
You don't play
sushi.
that shit. Don't come in our goddamn store smelling like sushi and have people complaining to me. I've been trying to find her all over the goddamn store. So could you tell her to get out?
We just got here.
Boss, she said she just got
What
here.
you talking about? Like,
Motherfucker, you smell like sushi.
who is you talking to?
Hey, you want to talk to him? He can hear you.
Who is you talking to? Like, what's up with you? Where you at?
He in the back.
Oh, I could come find you. You could come out your office. What's up? What's up? You can come out your office. You can come out your office because you disrespectful as f. So where are you?
Don't you come in my store.
Like I said, you're disrespectful as f. So where are you? Because I will turn up this Walmart. You're rude as f. So, bitch, come out your office. Come out your office. Come out your office. Come out your office. Okay, I got something for this. I got something for you. Come out your office. Come out your office, sir. That's what you can do. You're rude as fuck.
Tell us get out.
Tell me some weed, bitch. He talking about bitch, get out the store. You can come out your office.
The man in Walmart.
He disrespectful as fuck. Like, come out your office. That's what you can do.
Make me come out of my office.
Yes, come out your office. Come out your office. Come out your office. Come out your office. I don't give a fuck if it's your store. I don't care.
He can hear you. Boss, she,
Where he at? What his office at? Because I go to his office. Whoa, what office at? What office at? He disrespectful as fuck. Like, who the fuck you think he he is.
Yeah.
I don't know.
He told me he gonna terminate you. Like you're weird as fuck. Where are you?
Yeah, boss. She said,
Tell him to come out his office.
Yeah,
she
he
said
in the
come out your
outfit.
outfit. We in our,
Yeah, come out your outfit. That's what you could do, sir.
we in 828.
Hello.
I don't know.
Hello. I'm in Walmart. We were getting stuff out of
He
Walmart.
on the what
you say, boss?
the radio thing, the little microphone thing.
I guess he's talking about his coworker.
What did you say?
Yeah.
Boss, she said, Tracy, I'm about to tell you a friend.
He talking
about something you smelling like sushi. What you mean smelling like sushi?
I want you to talking about something. Get out my store.
Nah. Hey, look. I'm with y'all, man. It's a prank.
Oh, he need to come on his office. This other shit he's talking. It's a prank.
I need Buddy with the white shirt to get out of my goddamn store. It looks like he was stealing.
Think boss talking to you?
I don't know.
Boss,
I don't know
he
what
said
I'm
do it the white
stealing.
shirt. He said he don't know what he's stealing.
He was stealing.
Who?
We have him on surveillance. Looked like he was stealing. I would ask you to tell him to please leave my store.
I don't know. I mean, you could check me, bro. I don't got shit.
Boss, he said he didn't steal.
Tell me. I mean, you could show me. I ain't.
Get the hell out of my store before I come back there. You don't want to
Tell him to show me the footage, cause I really didn't steal.
He said tell him to show you the footage because he didn't really steal nothing.
All I'm
he
doing,
can hear
bro.
you.
All I'm doing is checking
He
prices.
just scanning prices and stuff.
damn store. This is my store. I run this organization. So, could you please leave this?
Damn, I was just
I
trying
think
to.
I think he asked you to leave.
Damn, what the hell?
Yeah.
Fucking weird.
Yeah, go ahead.
The guy that looks like he's in the army, it looks like he's stealing. Could you please tell him to leave my store?
You in the army?
I'm in the Air Force.
He's in the Air Force, boss. He's not.
What's going on?
He's not. There's not a Halloween costume, boss. He's really in the Air Force.
Well, why the hell is he stealing? It's not a pretty smart idea.
What?
You
What's he talking
You
about?
want to talk to him?
Yeah, what's going on?
Sir, I seen you look like you was trying to sneak something in your pocket. On
You
the
a damn,
camera.
no, you a f***ing lie, man. I got raised these things. You a lie. Show me on the camera.
You can leave. We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way, and I'm gonna call the cops. I already seen you on surveillance camera. There's nothing else.
Call them. I'll be right here. Call them. Slip some in my pocket. I got this under my arm.
Nah, yeah.
Fucker, don't you talk to me like that.
Yeah, boss. He ain't stealing nothing. He's buying it. He's just looking.
sure I am.
Yeah. He's just looking
Hey, you
for.
full of come out here and talk to me like a man.
He said come out and talk to him like a man.
Slap you in your shit.
That's
I don't
boss.
give a
He
damn
just-
about you being in the damn army.
Well, fuck you. I'm not in the army, you asshole.
Store.
Yeah. All right, boss.
Bring this punk ass out here.
He said come out here on aisle 11-1.
What the hell wrong with him, man?
Because it's not gonna be pretty. If I come over there, boy, it's not gonna be pretty.
And I'm not going back and forth.
Yeah. All right, boss.
I'm gonna try to sneak some in my pocket, man.
This store,
I make more than his ass do.
He said he made more than you, boss. Wait.
Now he can prove.
not me and my granddaddy. We love us issues.
What he say?
What you said, boss?
Tell him to leave the store, or it's gonna be
I'll leave the store when I finish shopping.
He said he gonna leave the store when he finish shopping. All right, boss. Go
Where's
ahead.
the manager? Where's the store manager? Find the store manager.
Yeah, Canal Joseph.
Oh, there you go. You pop up.
Yeah, I'm about to hit like 1 million subscribers. So yeah. Yeah.
Word.
Yeah. All right, bro.
Yes, sir.
Better got him with the blue shirt to put his hat on.
He said,
Got hat on.
yeah, he said put a hat on.
Yep.
He said you put a, he's telling me to tell you to put a hat on.
What?
I have no idea about some beef. He said he doesn't have a hat, sir.
Better tell him to put a hat on.
Well, I mean, why does he have to put a hat on, sir?
Because his hair a little dirty, man. Tell him to put a hat on and put a mask on, man.
What you talking about?
Yo, he says, what are you talking about?
Tell him to put a mask on. Let me speak to him.
He wants to speak to you. Let's hold this.
Why?
I have no idea.
Yes, sir. What you looking for? I'm not working. What the f is that?
I'm not working here.
You not working here? I have no idea.
Fuck him. He's got f***ed up. I got a question for you. I'm looking for this guy, you know, like sometimes you test that wire,
Right.
hot wire, just make sure you could check it out if it's
Right.
on or not. Which one?
I actually don't know too much about that, so I'm gonna send someone over here that knows a lot about it. So you can just stay right here. I'll send somebody over here.
This nigga Tone is acting scared, bro. Put the camera on his face, bro. This nigga acting so damn scared, bro. I'm trying to make him do it. Bro, I just trying to make him do it, bro. He was acting scared to do it on the guy.
Hey, bro, listen.
Why you ain't do him,
Listen,
bro?
I'm trying to tell this.
But I'ma go
bro,
do him.
I know how to sound professional when I hear it. Y'all hear me, bro.
Alright. I'm gonna go do him since Tone is scared, bro. He's
Hey,
too
listen,
scared.
I know how to do the talking. Y'all know this.
Y'all better at the other
Hey, listen, y'all know this. Y'all comment in the comments who talk better, who more funny when they talk.
Shirt he got on, I don't like it. Tell him take the shit off, or I'm gonna have the police come get his ass the fuck out of here. Do you hear me?
Yeah, I don't know what he's talking about.
He said take your shirt off or something.
Tell me what?
He said he don't like your color shirt or something.
I don't care.
Boss, he said he do not care.
Do I got to slap the goddamn taste out of his mouth? Or do I have to come up there? Listen to what I tell you, boy. You're in my goddamn facility. You listen to me, boy. Take your goddamn shirt off or get the hell out of my damn store. Do I make my mother self clear?
Yeah, I don't care. Do whatever he wants.
Yeah, he said he don't care. Do whatever you want.
What the f is she doing, man? In my goddamn store, man.
I think boss talking to you.
Say what?
So I think the boss talking to you.
You talking to me?
Nah, he's boss. What you said?
What the hell is she doing?
I guess this probably not your department or something. He said, "What you doing?"
Who is that?
The boss.
Boss of who? I don't work for him.
Hello, do you hear me?
Who the f is that?
The manager of Home Depot.
The manager? I don't work for him.
Could you tell her to take her dreads off for me?
Take a what?
Boss, what you said?
Tell her to take her dreads off for me.
Take my what the who is that?
This boss. You want to talk to him? Boss, she can hear you. I mean, she wants to talk to you.
Who is this? I work for freight. Who is this?
This is Jerry. Could you please take your
That's Jerry. That's the boss of like freight.
I don't want no dreads in my store.
Well, you asked out. You gonna have to go talk to Stacy, cause this is how my hair is gonna be.
All right.
Well, I said I want your hair off your goddamn head. You're gonna take that hair off your head like I told you.
Touch my ass.
Boss, she said kiss her ass.
You kiss her.
What you said, boss?
Where he at? Where he at?
She said, where you at? He's in the back.
He in the back.
I'm outside of the goddamn store trying to do something, and I'm just seeing her damn dreads. Take your hair out your
He said he trying to do something, but he just see her dress.
Damn it.
I need to find out where the he at. Oh, he outside the store.
Dreads, I'm treating it.
Where
Boss,
at?
are you outside the store? Wait, what did you say?
Outside of the store, in my goddamn car, getting some fresh goddamn air.
So who
With this cold AC, man.
He in the car getting some fresh air.
Okay. What he look like?
You about to go outside?
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside.
Boss, she said she about to come look for you.
Can I pull her hair out
I'll
her
come
head?
to him.
He said he'll pull. What you said, boss?
To her, boy,
What you said, boss?
I'll pull her hair out her head from the back. Would that be pleasing, boy?
He said, would that be pleasing?
Hey, tell him to meet me at the door.
Hey, he said me him at. Nah, hey.
Would you tell that boy get down or he explode his tummy?
Okay. He said okay.
Run that beta like a track.
If you want to get a picture with you, bro.
What's up?
And I told her, you know what I'm saying? She never heard of you, bro. I'm like, that's why I had put you up on YouTube.
I gotta watch your YouTube because I ain't never heard of you.
Nah.
You know, for real. I'm like,
missing out.
Well, you
I
missing
watch
out.
all these other funny people.
Bro,
She missing out, huh?
know what I'm saying? Like, bro, know what I'm saying? Like on our way over here, so I had to show her a couple of videos of you. So,
Yeah. Stop playing, man.
Duval kind of 904, you heard
We
me?
in Duval. Duval. Your ass almost fell. Oh, you ain't got the sock.
Yeah, I ain't got no sock.
What the? Oh, You see what I'm saying? Hey, we ain't supposed to touch each other.
All right, bet. Come on. Oh, shit. Hell no.
Run that bait up like a track. Run that bait up like a track. Give me the pack and I might pack that.
Hey, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. Damn, that boy high. Hey, that boy went dumb high. Hey, y'all get out the way. Hey, get out the way, get out the way.
I gotta do that bit again.
Oh, hell no, oh, hell no. Oh, hell, oh.
My bad.
Oh, boy. Ready, set, go. Come on. Oh, that boy did some raw. But this nigga come out here every day, bro. Hey, that's what. That's what it is. That's what it is. I'm already knowing.
That boy varsity. I'm JB. Oh hell no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, let me do that bit.